We've had a eureka moment. Here's where the next generation of metal detectors gives you a payback. Welcome to Halo Digital Testing. Up until now, metal detectors must be manually checked with a test sample every hour for QC compliance. But what's the cost of manual testing in staff time and production loss to your business? Rather than completing quality control tests by hand, now Fortress metal detectors will complete them for you. Halo Digital Testing. Self-check software built into our detectors to give you quality control and guaranteed to save you time and money. Manual tests on metal detectors handling free-falling product, those fitted above bagging lines or ones processing bulk product are challenging and where Halo Digital Testing comes into its own. They can be difficult to reach, need 2 people to complete the test, incur production loss whilst the test is completed, and generate waste and product rework. When you specify Halo on your Fortress metal detector, the QC test process is automated with 100% compliance accuracy. Activated automatically, remotely or manually through the HMI, Halo generates signals to disturb the magnetic field in the center of the metal detector's aperture and tests for ferrous, non-ferrous and stainless steel metals. The Halo test result shows the signal size to be exactly the same as if a real piece of metal passed through the detector. To successfully meet audit requirements, documented signal tests must be accurate, consistent and reliable. To demonstrate accuracy and quality control, the recommended test point on a detector is the very center of the aperture where the signal is least sensitive. But it's impossible on a vertical line, for example, to manually drop a test sample into the center of the detector, and this is why the data results will show inconsistent signal variations. Halo sits on a separate motherboard with a second set of coils independent from the detector. Think of it like a handshake, whereby Halo induces a test sending a signal to the very center of the aperture which the detector receives, reports, and responds to, thinking it's a real contaminant. Halo is an independent fail-safe system so that you can be confident your test data is accurate, consistent, and reliable for audit purposes and peace of mind. You determine how often Halo completes your QC tests and how the validated test data is digitally saved for audit purposes. Production doesn't stop whilst the test is in progress, but Halo will shut down the line immediately if the metal detector or reject checks fail. If you want guaranteed code of practice compliance and to save money and time, trust in Fortress. Go digital and get instant payback with Halo metal detector testing.